Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Camscanner app, so open it and sign in if needed. Once in, tap your profile or the account icon, then go straight to Settings or Account. That's where subscription controls live. You'll see a Subscriptions, Purchases, or Manage Membership label. Tap it now. This first step finds the payment record and the subscription identifier, which is essential to stop renewals. Make sure you note which account or email is displayed, since many users have multiple logins. Now you'll cancel. If Camscanner shows an in-app cancel subscription button, tap it and follow the confirmation prompts. This removes the app side authorization. If there's no in-app option, stop here and open the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap your account, then Subscriptions, find Camscanner and choose Cancel. Once done, record the cancellation date and save any confirmation screen or email. This matters because billing often stops at the period end, not immediately. Finish by confirming. Open account billing history or subscription page and verify it shows canceled or an expiration date. Once confirmed, you'll know service stops at that date. Keep the confirmation screenshot. If you still see charges after the period ends, contact Apple or Google Play support first, then Camscanner, and supply receipts. This speeds refunds. If problems persist, revoke the app's payment method or sign out, but only after you're certain the subscription status reflects cancellation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.